Tabtime Pillmaster 2-tablet cutter and grinder. This small pocket-sized Pillmaster helps make tablets and pills easier to swallow. The top section cuts tablets into smaller pieces. Simply place the pill into the device and press down the lid. To grind tablets into a fine powder, simply flip the Pillmaster over, unscrew the base and pop the tablet in. Then screw the base back in to crush the tablet. Tablets can be stored safely within the Pillmaster.